This is iOS 26.1, and it's packed with smart upgrades you'll actually use. First up, the redesigned control center now stacks into swipeable cards with smarter quick toggles. You can long press to pin your favorite controls and even create custom groups for work, home, or travel. Notifications get a big upgrade too, with priority summaries that surface only what matters during your focus modes. Swipe in from the side to reveal a new notification inbox, where everything else is quietly organized by app and time. And live activities now support mini controls, so you can pause music, extend rides, or reply to messages without leaving your lock screen. In settings, there's a new unified privacy dashboard that shows which apps used your camera, mic, and location in a single clean view. Tap any app to instantly tweak permissions, including one-time access and precise or approximate location for each feature. Battery life gets smarter with adaptive performance profiles that automatically tune background activity based on how you actually use your phone. There's also a quick cleanup tool that scans your storage for duplicate media, old downloads, and massive message threads in one tap. Finally, apps and animations feel noticeably faster, with smoother scrolling, sharper text rendering, and shorter launch times across the system. That's iOS 26.1 in 60 seconds. If you're updating today, start with Control Center, the privacy dashboard, and quick cleanup to feel the difference right away.